Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you drive regularly, there's one piece of tech you must have, and that's a reliable dashcam. Today we're reviewing the GKU dashcam front and rear, a compact, feature-packed dual camera system that records in true 4K plus 1080p, includes 5GHz Wi-Fi, and even comes with a 64GB SD card right in the box. Let's talk resolution first. The front camera records in crisp 4K Ultra HD, while the rear cam captures 1080p Full HD. That means you're getting clear, license plate level detail on both ends, whether you're driving through city traffic or backing into a tight space. The wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear angle ensures maximum road coverage. It features 5GHz Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to connect your phone and manage footage through the GKU app. You can instantly view, download, or share clips from your drives, no computer or card reader needed. It's a lifesaver when you need quick proof in case of an accident or road incident. For night driving, the advanced WDR wide dynamic range and night vision tech come into play, balancing exposure so you're not left with washed out headlights or dark corners. It works exceptionally well in tunnels, low light streets, and rainy conditions. One of the standout safety features is 24-hour parking mode. With a hardwire kit sold separately, this dashcam monitors your car even while parked, activating automatically upon detecting motion or impact. Paired with the built-in G sensor, it securely locks footage from sudden bumps or collisions, so it can't be overwritten. Recording is looped and efficient, and when the included 64GB SD card fills up, it automatically overwrites the oldest non-locked footage to make room. This keeps the camera running worry-free with no manual file management required. Installation is quick with the included mounting kit, and the sleek, compact design stays low profile on your windshield. It's compatible with most car models and doesn't interfere with your line of sight. Bottom line, the GKU 4K plus 1080p dashcam is a full-featured, dependable road companion with premium features at an affordable price. Great resolution, easy app access, night vision, parking protection. It's got everything a smart driver needs. Click the link in the description for current pricing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and stay tuned for more tech that keeps you safe and connected.